Welcome to today's deep dive into the 2021 NASCAR Xfinity Series. This was a thrilling season of stock car racing, with moments of high-speed excitement and dramatic upsets. Let's break it down. The 2021 NASCAR Xfinity Series was the 40th season of this exciting racing division. It featured 33 races from February to November, offering fans incredible competition, powerful performances, and some fierce rivalries. The season unfolded across major NASCAR tracks, with the championship race at Phoenix Raceway capping off an unforgettable year. The season saw Austin Cindric, driving for Team Penske, claim the championship after an outstanding season. Cindric's victory marked his second consecutive championship, making him one of the standout drivers in Xfinity Series history. His consistency and speed allowed him to dominate the point standings and ultimately secure the title. Along with Cindric, several other drivers like Justin Allgaier, Noah Gragson, and Daniel Hemrick showed remarkable talent. One of the highlights of the season was the dramatic finishes. From Talladega to Daytona, fans were treated to edge-of-your-seat moments. 17 different drivers secured wins in the season, with Cindric leading the charge. The 2021 season was defined by intense competition, as many veterans and newcomers alike fought to earn their spot in the playoffs. But it wasn't all about Cindric. The Xfinity Series is known for its talented and emerging drivers. Daniel Hemrick had a career-defining moment at Phoenix Raceway, where he earned his first career win, clinching a spot in the championship finale. His emotional victory was a testament to his persistence and dedication over the years. 2021 also featured thrilling races and some controversial moments. Incidents on and off the track led to penalties and fines for some drivers, but it added to the drama that NASCAR fans have come to expect. Despite this, the season was filled with electrifying performances, from daring overtakes to tense finishes. As the season reached its climax, it all came down to Phoenix. Cindric, Hemrick, and other playoff contenders were racing for the championship, but it was Cindric who emerged victorious, sealing the deal on his win. Added another victory to the rich history of Team Penske in the Xfinity Series. In the end, the 2021 NASCAR Xfinity Series proved to be a remarkable chapter in the history of stock car racing. With new faces, veterans, and a season filled with intensity, it's clear that the future of this series is in good hands. Austin Cindric's win, Hemrick's emotional first victory, and the rivalry on and off the track made 2021 a year to remember. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below about your favorite moment from the 2021 season. Catch you next time for more racing action.